Hey, what's up everyone? Just wanted to give you guys a little tour of some of the cars I have. 66 Mustang, 76 Mini Cooper, Clubman from Australia, and the 50s Chevy GMC, or GMC rather. And those are some of the cars that we got in here right now. Also we have Mazda Miata and a 3.0 CS BMW. Those are pretty rare. And yeah, some crash jobs and a wrap job on a Jaguar. I'm sorry, not a Jaguar, a Range Rover. Hey, what's up everyone? My name's Jose. Welcome to Growing Autoshops. If you like what you saw in the videos, please subscribe and comment below. Also, please let us know what type of videos you would like to watch, so in the future I can actually cover some of that content and provide you what you're looking for.